Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Coder. Today we are going to write a C program to check whether the entered number is prime or not. So here you can see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are the examples of prime number. So basically what is a prime number? A prime number is a number that is divisible by itself and 1. So here you can see all these numbers are divisible by themselves and 1. So let's move to write the program. So I am using an online compiler or editor. So first we will take one number from first we will take a number you from user. Uh, so we will write int n, and then we will take one more variable there and set it to 0. Now printf enter a positive number scanf percent %d because we are taking an integer ampersand n. So using printf and scanf statements, we have taken a number from user. Now we have to implement the logic to check whether the entered number is prime or not. So for that we will use for loop. In for loop we will initialize I is equal to 2 because our prime number starts from 2. Then I is smaller than equal to square root of n and I plus plus. So we have used a square root function. To implement the square root function, we have to include one more library in our program, that is math.h. So we'll write it. So now let's see the condition for our for loop. For loop, that is I is smaller than equal to square root of n. So why we have taken the square root of n? So if you want to find the factors of any number, we will find the factors till the square root of that number. So for example, let us consider 36. For 36, the square root of 36 is 6. So 1 multiplied by 36 is equal to 36. 2 multiplied by 18 is equal to 36. Then 3 multiplied by 12 is equal to 36. 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to 36. Then 5 cannot divide 36. So 36 is not divisible by 5. So 5 will not be a factor of 36, and 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. So till the square root of 36, that is 6, we have found all the possible factors of 36, that is 1, 36 itself, then 4, 9, 12, 18, and 6. So using the similar logic, we have implemented the condition over here. Now in for loop, we will use if n modulo I is equal to 0, means in modulo operator we check the remainder. If the number is divisible by I, then and the remainder is equal to 0, then we will then the if loop will be implemented. So we will set the flag is equal to 1 and break. So this break statement, what it will do, it will break if the condition is satisfied by the if loop, then it will break from the it will set the flag to 1, and it will break the from the if loop, and as well it will break from the for loop also. Now outside the for loop we will write if flag is equal to 0, means flag is set to 0, we will print entered number is prime. So initially we are assuming that if flag is equal to 0, then the entered number is prime. and else entered number is not prime. So let us run our code. So enter a positive number. So let us type 4. So it is giving the correct answer, that is entered number is not prime. Now let us again try for another number. So let us 3. Entered number is prime. Okay. Now let us try for 9. So entered number is not prime because 9 is divisible by 3 also, and 3 is one of the factor of 9. So the factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9 itself. So let us understand what happens at the background of this code. So first we are taking the number from a user, and we are giving that value to the variable n. Now let's move to the for loop. So for loop we have initialized I is equal to 2. That is the our loop will start from I is equal to 2. Now we here for the condition of the for loop we are saying I is smaller than or equal to square root of n. So for example, consider n is equal to 9. We have taken the user number from a user, that is 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. So we have first initialize I is equal to 2. So 2 is smaller than square root of 9, that is 3. So 2 is smaller than 3, so the loop will get initiated. So it will move to the if condition. So if 9 modulo I is 2 is not equal to 0. So if loop will not get initiated, and the I plus, then we will go to the updation of the for loop, that is I plus plus. Now the 2 will get updated to 3. So then we will check the condition. If now I is equal to 3. So 3 is smaller than or equal to square root of 9, that is 3. So 3 is equal to 3. So the for loop will get implemented again. Now we will check the if condition. So if n is equal to 9, 9 divided by now I is equal to 3. So 3 easily divides 9. So 9 is easily divided by 3. So the remainder will be 0. Now the flag will be set to 1, and we will break. The break statement will be implemented. So we will break out from the if loop as well as the for loop. So we will come outside the for loop, and we will check if condition. If flag is equal to 0, no. The in for loop we have made the flag is equal to 1. So it will move to the else statement, and it will print the entered number is not prime. And the similar process will happen for a for entered number that is prime. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. Uh, if you have any queries regarding the program, you can write in the comment section. If you want any other problem statements or programs to be implemented, you can suggest me in comment section, and let's grow together. Thank you.